Hi everyone, my name's Monique. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some firework art, which is perfect for the 4th of July that's just around the corner. These are the materials we're going to need for the project. You're going to need glue and it has to be liquid. Salt, water, a napkin, different size paintbrushes, you absolutely need black paper, and you're going to need watercolor paint. In the house I have these watercolor markers, so I'm going to be using these instead, but they work the same way as watercolor paint would. The first step is going to be to draw your fireworks. We're going to be doing this with the glue. There's no right or wrong way, you kind of just want a spider effect. Doing this, it helps a lot if you keep the paper or keep the glue. You really want to make sure the glue is touching the paper. It's a lot easier. You can also do little dots. Fireworks. I'm gonna do 3 fireworks. One right here too. Next you're going to need your salt, and you want to do this as soon as you're done with the glue because you don't want the glue to dry. We need the salt to stick. You're also going to be using a lot of salt, so it needs to be completely covered. So like I said, you're using a lot of salt. You just want to make sure all the glue is covered. Right after you cover all the glue and salt, you're going to tap the salt off. This can be a bit messy, so you want to make sure you have something to fall off of. And just gonna tap to make sure all the excess comes off. So with your finishing product, you can take the back of a paintbrush and push if you want the shape to be more like a drawing. You want it to be almost more perfect. If you have watercolor paints, you're not going to need a paper plate or anything, but because I have the chalk paints, I needed to separate them. So I add a little bit of water to my paint, or if you're using watercolor, and then you're just going to tap the color on. I'm going to do this one red, white, and blue. So we'll see how this turns out. For the last firework, I'm going to be using yellow and purple. And again, there's not really a pattern that you need to use with any of the colors. Use as many as you want. You really just don't want to mix the colors, or else they're going to get really clumpy and you're not going to be able to tell what's going on. So I'm just using purple on the ends. When you're all done letting your paint dry, this is what you should end up with, and you have some colorful fireworks.